up? Right now I'm in Sukna, and if you can see it behind, this is Karshang, 37 kilometers. And then we have Tindare and Chunbhati. It goes all the way from the same road. But right now we are not going neither in Karshang, neither are we going to Chunbhati, neither are we going to Tindare. But yes, we are going to Shiv Khola. So catch up on the road.
के भयो
बिग्रेर हेर्नु नि तेल हालिकन ल्याऊ खै त उकालो चल्दै गरेन त्यो दाजु फेरि आउनु भएको थियो तपाईँ त आउनु आउन सबैजना भिडियो गर्नु हुँदैन रहेछ यता आउनु नि सबैजना
नाम चाहिँ के हो ए ल त्यसो मलाई माथि उता भेटौँ न ल त्यसो भए Yes, we have reached Hong Kong.
Shiv Khola is a place worth visiting for those who loves to be close to Mother Nature. It is placed at an elevation of 1527 feet above sea level. It is well connected with the township of Siliguri, which is just 27 kilometers away. The climatic condition is very well pleasant due to the lush green forest all around. Temperature rises maximum up to 28 degrees, that is during the summer season. The streams or river flows in between added up to a scenic beauty and making it a marvelous tourist spot. The beautiful tea garden which surrounds the entire area is just breathtaking. What a great person she was. That great soul just invited me for lunch, but I can't until I first unleash the place at Shiv Khola.
The beautiful tea garden is so mesmerizing. If roads are an obstacle for you, the beautiful tea garden gives you 1,000 reasons to come back for more and more, again and again. When you are riding or driving this kind of road, You gotta be very careful because speeding would not let you to anywhere. It could be a dirt trap. And if you fall off the cliff, there is no survival at all. Chances for survival is minimal.
Despite several excellent features, Shiv Khola comes under the least visited place of Darjeeling and is seeking special attention from the tourism department. An initiative has been taken by some local youth for promoting the place to attract tourists. They have started up this Shiv Khola adventure camp for visitors, providing them with various adventurous activities like rock climbing, low altitude trekking, bird watching, fishing, etc. The arrangement has been made for the tourist who wishes to spend few days. The beautiful tents have been set up looking upon the comforts for the tourist, and the local food is served there.
Deforestation happening. I'm sure I'm very close to Shiv Khola now because I can hear some kind of miking happening, and I can even Alright guys, we have reached Shiv Khola finally. This is Shiv Khola. I'll see if I can park my vehicle, or I'll see if I can park my bike somewhere. I think I can park my bike more further from here.
I've reached Shiv Khola, and this is Shiv Khola, if you can see here, and there is this prayer happening right now. I'll be going towards that side, and I'll be showing you more of this.
Shiv Khola, as the name depicts, is one of the most religious places in Darjeeling Hills. There are different folklores about the place, which could be heard from the aged people of that region. There is a very old Lord Shiva temple adorned with naturally formed Shivlinga, which is regarded very holy and worshipped by locals with great respect. The devotees of Lord Shiva from various places visit the place with great anticipation during Mahashivratri and the holy month of Shravan. The food that is cooked inside this temple is called as prasad, which is served to all the individuals inside the temple, irrespective of the caste, creed or the religion. Various species of flora and fauna finds their home here, which makes Shiv Khola a favorite destination for wild photographers and is also an ideal place for bird watching.
Alright, so if you can see here behind, everyone is in a festive moment right now. We'll be heading back towards our home. We'll catch you up in the
Now it's time for me to head home. I hope you like this video, and please do not forget to subscribe the channel just in case if you haven't. Much love and peace out.
Thank you.